happy back to school season slash fall. It is officially fall. It is like September 2nd when I'm filming this, which means we need to go fall shopping, and specifically hygiene shopping. If you're in back to school season or you really want to embrace fall, you need to change up your product, and I'm dying to see all of the new fall limited releases. So we're gonna go to Walmart, HomeSense, Winners. I also got shower cubbies, so we're gonna set up our shower cubbies, put them in our shower, and do a really good review of these products. So come along with me. I'm wearing a really cute fall outfit, even though it's still kind of warm outside. I'm wearing my beige yoga pants from Brandy Melville tank top, and Brandy Melville cardigan, and my beige Coach bag. At Winners, I didn't get a chai. I got a shaken espresso with pumpkin cold foam and 3 pecan syrup. I feel like I needed the caffeine boost, and also I don't know if you guys noticed this, but the pumpkin cold foam is a lot more pumpkin-y this year, like very strong on the pumpkin. It's really hot in the car. I'm gonna bring my cardigan, but I have my tote bag, so if I get hot I'm gonna put it away. But before we go in, I want to talk to you guys about like what I'm looking for. So we're gonna put a shower cubby in my bathroom. So I want to get things to fill it up, but I want it to be all fall themed. So like we're looking for like gourmands, vanillas, beiges. I'm trying to stay away from like super colorful stuff. I just really want it to be super fall themed. So let's go. Winners was semi-successful. I could not find any body butters or lotions, but I did get a scrub. I want to show you it when I get home, but I did get a body scrub that I feel like you can already tell is pretty fall themed. I got a deodorant that is fall themed, and then I got some other things, which I'll show you the non-hygiene related things because that's like not a surprise. So I got these kitten heels. I had birthday money, which was so nice to everybody, so I got these kitten heels. I'm in like such a burgundy phase, guys, right now, like a purple burgundy, not like a brown burgundy. Well, those are only $50. My toenails are so chipped, which I'm gonna do my toenails in this video because I feel like it's hygiene related. So I'm gonna do my toenails, and I got this beautiful color. I just couldn't find a base coat. This is so pretty. This color is chef's kiss. To Walmart now. I want to try to find some of the Dove fall collection because they didn't have that at Winners. If not, then maybe Marshall's. Shopping is done. Let's do a haul of everything I got. I actually got some really good vanilla goodies, and then we can start with the hygiene routine. I haven't taken a shower yet, so I'm really excited to use all these products. So I found that Walmart didn't have their fall stuff out yet, so it's more like a back to school shopping. I have always wanted to try this Dove collection. This is the Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla ginormous tub. Do you guys see this? Is literally ginormous. So this is their body lotion, but this is gonna last me forever. I love that it's a pump. I find that I lean toward pump products so much more. And then I have 2 body washes that are both vanilla scented. This is Athena. Athena makes really good scented products, and they came out with a vanilla sugarcane and sandalwood scent. I was really excited for this launch. It is so sweet but not overpowering. I originally thought this was a lotion, but it's actually a body wash, which is great because I can use this for more like my arms and my legs and more of like my sensitive areas. I'm gonna go in with the Dove Shea Butter and Vanilla, and I saw this body scrub at Winners. There was no way it wasn't coming home with me. This is Body Prescriptions, which I've never had before, but I see a lot of their products at Winners, and it is Stay Wild Vanilla Almond Exfoliating Body Scrub. Can we have a moment for this packaging? This is stunning, guys. Like, it's literally cheetah print, and I was telling you guys how I want to have my shower cubby to have like a theme. So if you can see, all of these products have like a white, beige, and yellow theme, which is what I'm going for. For body lotion, we have a couple different options. So I kind of struggled to find a good body lotion at this point in time, but about a month ago I went to New York and I picked up the EOS Creme de Pistachio. This is so gourmand. If you've tried the vanilla cashmere by EOS, you know how delicious it smells, but I feel like the Creme de Pistachio kind of goes above and beyond. It pairs so nicely with almond products because pistachio is like almond sister. It's also super affordable if you're in the States. I wish you guys could literally smell this through the screen. And then if you're in Canada, this is really accessible. But the sticky dates, I got this a couple months ago, but I only use it in the winter because of how rich it is. I saved it for this fall, and I'm ready to use the entire package. So this is Sticky Dates by Lush. It is one of the most popular products at Lush because of how great it is. I actually have a mini size of the body wash that I will be putting in my shower as well. So you guys will see it when I load up my cubby, which my friend got me. I love her so much. Love you, Priscilla. For body mist, we have Let the Good Times Roll body spray by Lush. This is amazing. I wish you guys could understand how long and strong Lush body sprays are. This has notes of like dates. This kind of goes off of sticky dates. It has notes of sticky dates. It has those caramels, those vanillas. But the thing is, guys, it has insane projection. I put this on my clothes because I'm not a huge fan of the nozzle. It sprays everywhere, so I like to spray it like when I have my clothes on and even my jacket. I don't think I've ever not gotten a compliment whenever I wear a Lush body spray. One more thing. So obviously, if you guys are going back to school, we want to beat school air. We want to smell good all day. If you're going to work, you want to smell good all day. So deodorant is a huge part of that. And if you don't use deodorant, I'm your big sister. It's time to use deodorant, guys. And you don't have to get those like cucumber scents. Like, I hate cucumber scents. I don't know why every deodorant is cucumber. I just think that it's like the grossest scent. So I like to lean towards vanilla. So we have two deodorants. We have the regular one, like for your armpits. This is by Bluesin. It is whipped vanilla bean deodorant. I like this because I just like the way it applies. I'm more of a fan towards like this rolling ball style. This one's really good. They had a couple other scents. They had caramel and toasted marshmallow, but I feel like vanilla is the safest. And then it's good to have like entire body deodorants. Like if you have gym class or something like that, you can put this kind of like here because I know you can get sweat here. You can put it between your thighs, you can put it anywhere. It is all over full body deodorant dry spray. So it's going to apply wet and dry. You're not going to feel like wet. I hate that. That's like the worst feeling. Now let's head to my shower. I need to put the shower cubbies up and then we can get to decorating it. Shelves are from Amazon and they're actually quite affordable. To put them onto your towel wall, it's actually really easy. You just want to make sure you clean the surface, and they recommend using rubbing alcohol as well just to remove any grime. So I actually did have these installed a couple months ago, but I did notice that the stickers were peeling off. So I just got replacement stickers off Amazon, and that's basically what we're going to be putting on today. So that's why you see kind of like the other stickers on. I just made sure to line it up. It's better to have more height between them because you'll see the kind of issue that I run into, whereas a lot of these products are really tall and I did have my shelves a little bit too close together. But applying them is really easy. Just make sure to get rid of all of the air bubbles. I like to go from one to the other side, left to right, and then slowly peel the sticker off instead of peeling it completely off and just putting it to the wall. I got this clear acrylic spinning tray off Amazon. It was quite affordable. It does have a second layer, but because the products are so tall, I wasn't able to add it. I do realize that the Dove lotion, well, I thought it was a lotion. It's actually a body wash. So just ignore that. I obviously removed it later, but yeah, don't do what I did. I literally put the body wash on my clean skin. And I was like, why is it so like white and not absorbing? Okay, besties, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I put a lot of time filming and editing it. If you like this video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and give a little comment. I'm trying to post 2 times a week, so all your support helps so much. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.